Cats are enigmatic creatures, and their behaviors can sometimes puzzle even the most seasoned cat owners. By understanding what constitutes normal cat behavior, you can build a stronger bond with your feline friend and ensure their well-being. Cats have a reputation for being independent, but their social tendencies vary widely. Many cats are content spending time alone, as their wild ancestors were solitary hunters. This doesn't mean they don't enjoy your company, they simply value their personal space. Others are naturally more affectionate, seeking out cuddles, lap time, or even sleeping with you. Purring during these moments signals contentment. Cats may greet you by rubbing against your legs or headbutting you. This is their way of marking you as theirs with their scent glands. It's important to respect your cat's social preferences. If they're not in the mood for interaction, give them space. Even domesticated cats are born hunters. You might notice behaviors like stalking toys or small objects around the house, followed by a swift pounce. Sometimes, they bring you gifts like insects or rodents, an instinctual behavior to share food with their family. Intense focus during play sessions with laser pointers or feather toys mimics hunting. Providing interactive toys satisfies their hunting instincts, keeping them mentally stimulated and physically active. Cats are known for their long naps, typically sleeping 12 to 16 hours a day. They are crepuscular, meaning they're most active during dawn and dusk, which were prime hunting times in the wild. Older cats and kittens may sleep even more, up to 20 hours per day, as sleep is essential for growth and recovery. Offering cozy and quiet spots for your cat to nap, like a soft bed or a perch by the window, ensures their comfort. Cats spend 30 to 50% of their waking hours grooming. This keeps their fur clean and free of debris or parasites, regulates their temperature, and spreads natural oils across their fur. Grooming also serves a social purpose. Cats may groom other cats or even their human companions to strengthen bonds. However, excessive grooming leading to bald spots or redness could indicate stress, allergies, or medical issues. Cats communicate through a mix of vocalizations and body language. Meowing is primarily directed at humans, with different tones indicating needs like hunger, attention, or discomfort. Purring generally signifies contentment, though some cats purr when stressed or in pain. Hissing or growling signals fear, aggression, or the need for space. A raised tail often means your cat is happy, while a flicking tail indicates irritation. Observing your cat's vocal and physical cues in various situations helps you understand their needs better. Play is crucial for a cat's physical and mental health. Kittens exhibit high-energy play that mimics hunting, often wrestling with toys or even your hands. Redirecting this behavior to toys prevents future biting habits. Adult cats still enjoy playtime but may prefer more structured interactions, like chasing a feather wand. Daily play sessions of 15 to 20 minutes help prevent boredom and encourage exercise. Scratching is a normal and essential behavior for cats. It helps them mark territory, stretch their muscles, and shed old claw sheaths. Providing sturdy scratching posts or boards in various textures, such as sisal, cardboard, or carpet, satisfies this instinct. Placing scratching posts near areas where your cat tends to scratch, like couches or doors, can save your furniture from damage. Cats are natural climbers and explorers. Elevated spots offer safety and a vantage point to observe their environment. Investing in cat trees, shelves, or perches satisfies their climbing instincts. It's essential to ensure these spots are secure and free of hazards like fragile objects. Normal eating and drinking habits can vary among cats. They prefer multiple small meals over one large one, mimicking their natural hunting patterns. Many cats are drawn to running water, such as fountains, as it feels fresher and cleaner. Changes in appetite, vomiting, or drinking excessively may indicate health issues that require attention. A well-maintained litter box is crucial for your cat's comfort. Cats instinctively bury their waste, keeping their environment clean. Litter box avoidance can signal a dirty box, a dislike of the litter type, or underlying health problems like urinary tract infections. Scooping the litter box daily and cleaning it thoroughly once a week helps ensure your cat uses it regularly. Understanding your cat's normal behavior is the key to a happy and harmonious relationship. Each cat is unique, with their own personality and quirks. By observing their habits and providing the right environment, you'll ensure your feline friend thrives. A healthy, happy cat is one whose natural instincts are acknowledged and respected. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning their diet must primarily consist of animal-based proteins to thrive. This dietary requirement stems from their evolutionary history as hunters. A proper diet for a cat includes high-quality protein, moderate fats, and minimal carbohydrates. Taurine, an essential amino acid found in animal tissues, is critical for a cat's heart, vision, and overall health. Cats cannot synthesize taurine on their own, making it a vital part of their diet. Feeding your cat a balanced commercial cat food is typically sufficient to meet their nutritional needs. However, some cats have specific dietary requirements due to age, health conditions, or allergies, so consulting a veterinarian is always recommended. Cats have a highly developed sense of hearing, capable of detecting sounds at frequencies up to 65 kHz, much higher than the human range of 20 kHz. This acute hearing helps them locate prey and detect subtle environmental changes. Their sense of smell is also remarkable, with 200 million odor-sensitive cells compared to the human average of 5 million. This sharp olfactory ability is why cats are so particular about their food and litter box hygiene. The Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of their mouth, allows cats to perform the Flamen response, where they open their mouth slightly to analyze scents more deeply. A cat's whiskers, or vibrissae, are highly sensitive tactile hairs that help them navigate their environment. These whiskers are rooted deeply in the skin and connected to a network of nerves, making them highly responsive to touch and vibrations. Cats use their whiskers to measure spaces before attempting to pass through and to detect nearby movements, even in the dark. Cutting or damaging a cat's whiskers can disorient them and should be avoided. The average healthy cat's body temperature ranges from 38 to 39.2 degrees Celsius, 100.4 to 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit. A temperature outside this range could indicate illness and should prompt a visit to the vet. Similarly, a cat's resting heart rate is between 140 and 220 beats per minute, with the exact rate depending on their age and activity level. Breathing rates at rest typically range from 20 to 30 breaths per minute. Significant deviations from these numbers may be signs of distress or illness. Cats have retractable claws, which they use for climbing, hunting, and self-defense. Retracting their claws protects them from wear and tear, keeping them sharp for when they are needed. Regular nail trimming is necessary for indoor cats, as they may not wear down their claws naturally. Overgrown claws can lead to discomfort or even health issues such as ingrown nails. Hydration is crucial for a cat's health, but many cats are naturally less inclined to drink water. This behavior stems from their desert-dwelling ancestors, who obtained most of their hydration from prey. Providing fresh water daily and offering a cat water fountain can encourage drinking. Wet food also helps increase their water intake, which is particularly important for cats prone to urinary tract issues or kidney problems. Cats can jump up to 6 times their body length in a single leap, thanks to their powerful hind leg muscles. This ability not only aids in hunting but also allows them to reach high places for safety or observation. Their exceptional balance is due to their flexible spine and tail, which they use as a counterweight while climbing or walking on narrow surfaces. The average lifespan of an indoor cat ranges from 12 to 15 years, with some cats living into their early 20s. Indoor cats generally live longer than outdoor cats, who face risks such as traffic, predators, and disease. Providing routine veterinary care, a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and a stress-free environment can significantly enhance a cat's quality of life and longevity. Understanding these facets of normal cat behavior and physiology equips you to provide better care for your feline companion. By meeting their physical and emotional needs, you'll foster a healthy, happy, and fulfilling relationship with your cat. Cats have unique vision characteristics designed for hunting in low-light conditions. Their eyes have a high number of rod cells, which are sensitive to dim light, enabling them to see 6 times better than humans in the dark. The tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer behind the retina, amplifies light entering the eyes, giving cats their characteristic glowing eyes in darkness. While their night vision is exceptional, cats are less adept at distinguishing fine details or vibrant colors, seeing the world primarily in shades of blue, gray, and yellow. A cat's sense of touch is heightened by the numerous nerve endings in their skin, paws, and whiskers. Their paws are extremely sensitive, not just to texture but also to temperature and pressure. Cats rely on this sensitivity when navigating, climbing, or hunting. This sensitivity also means cats may avoid certain surfaces or become hesitant to walk in unfamiliar environments, especially if they perceive discomfort or danger. Social behaviors in cats are shaped by their upbringing and environment. Kittens that are handled frequently and gently by humans during their early weeks tend to be more sociable and trusting. Cats are territorial animals and mark their space using scent glands located in their cheeks, paws, and tails. You may notice your cat rubbing against furniture, objects, or even you. This is their way of establishing a sense of ownership. Multi-cat households can sometimes experience tension, as cats prefer to establish clear territories. Providing multiple resources, like separate food bowls, litter boxes, and sleeping areas, can reduce conflict. Cats vocalize more with humans than with other cats. Each vocalization serves a purpose. Short, repetitive meows often signal a request or greeting, while long, drawn-out meows may indicate annoyance or a demand. Chirping or trilling is often a sign of excitement or directed toward prey or kittens. Pay close attention to your cat's unique sounds to better interpret their moods and needs. Stress and changes in routine can significantly impact a cat's behavior. Signs of stress include hiding, overgrooming, loss of appetite, or increased vocalization. Introducing changes gradually, such as a new pet or moving furniture, helps reduce anxiety. Pheromone diffusers, which mimic a cat's natural calming pheromones, can be helpful in stressful situations. Cats require consistent grooming to keep their coat in top condition, but the level of grooming needed depends on the breed. Long-haired cats like Persians may need daily brushing to prevent matting, while short-haired cats generally groom themselves adequately. Bathing is rarely necessary, as cats naturally maintain their cleanliness, but it can be done occasionally if they get particularly dirty or encounter substances they can't remove on their own. Always use cat-specific shampoos, as human products can irritate their skin. Dental care is often overlooked but essential for a cat's health. Regular brushing with cat-specific toothpaste and dental treats can help prevent plaque buildup and gum disease. Bad breath, drooling, or difficulty eating may indicate dental issues that require a vet's attention. Annual dental checkups can detect and address problems early. Spaying or neutering is recommended for all cats not intended for breeding. This procedure helps prevent unwanted litters and reduces the risk of certain health issues, such as uterine infections in females and testicular cancer in males. Spayed or neutered cats are also less likely to roam, mark territory, or engage in aggressive behaviors. Exercise is crucial for preventing obesity and maintaining muscle tone. Interactive toys like feather wands, laser pointers, and puzzle feeders can keep your cat physically active and mentally stimulated. Cats also enjoy self-play toys, such as balls or toys with catnip. Regular playtime strengthens your bond with your cat and prevents behavioral issues caused by boredom. Cats are highly individual creatures, each with their own preferences and quirks. Observing and understanding your cat's behavior, combined with providing proper care, ensures they live a happy, healthy life. As they age, their needs may change, so regular vet visits are essential to adapting their care plan and detecting potential health concerns early.